going to show you this right now, exactly how to make a data frame without the index column. So a lot of the times when you make a data frame or you pull in a data frame or whatever, there's an index column that has weird numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Long story short, I want to show you how to have it without that. So before I get started, I really want to congratulate you. This is awesome that you're searching for the answer. I have the answer for you here. We all know to be the best coder in the world, you can't stop, and you're clearly on your way. So let's go ahead and print this out. So let me walk you through the code first. I imported Pandas as PD. You have to have that in order to use any data frames. And then df equals pd.read CSV. This is essentially finding this CSV here. And by the way, I just opened my sidebar with Command B. That might be helpful for you. And it's reading in this CSV, then it's printing out the whole CSV. So the whole CSV you can see is pretty simple. It's just this name, age, and so on. And you can see there's zeros and ones on the side, which is kind of annoying. And that's the index. And that's what I was talking about. So let's go ahead and see how to do it without that. So let's pretend we have, or we definitely have that data frame, but now we want to go ahead and save it to a new data frame. So let's call, so this is print df, this is print names. We can delete these print names. Essentially what I'm doing here is I'm tapping into this data frame and I am saying grab the name column or the age column. So what I want to do now, just so I can set up this example, this isn't quite where I'm showing you how to do it without an index yet, but I want to make a new data frame. So let's call new df equals pd.dataframe. Okay, and then what we want to do here is we want to just pretty much copy over the old data frame. So I'm just going to say new df and I'm going to say name. And then down here, I want to say new df and age. And now let's just double check that new df is there. Let me zoom out a little bit so it stops doing that. Print new df. Okay. And just so we know, this is the new dar or df. Let's go ahead and print it, and now it should print out the new df at the bottom here. So this is the new df. And you can see I made a little error here. I forgot to change this to age. Okay, so now we have a new df, but it still has the index. And if you look here, it puts with the index, this is our CSV that we pulled from, it puts a 0, 1, 2. We don't want that. For a lot of occasions, we do not want that. So the way to do this is we essentially want to save this df. So we would do pd.save. Actually, we would hit to CSV. Excuse me. We would do new df, because we're working with a new df, and then to CSV, and then we want to name the CSV something. Let's call it new df.csv, and then this is how you make it without the index. You see index here, index equals false. So now if we go ahead and run this, remember, this is the old df, so it should look like this new one, but without the 0, 1, 2. Okay, we ran it. Now let's go check out that new df, and look at that. There's no index. So name, boom, boom, just like that. No df, and if we wanted to go ahead and print this, we could as well. So that's how you do it. That's how you remove the index column. Pretty simple to do. I wanted to show you this, but I also have a ton of other things I want to show you. A lot of tips and tricks that I have throughout my bootcamp. Of course, I have really in-depth videos, but I also am about to show another video here on the screen. And all I want you to do before you watch that video or go to the bootcamp is like this video. like this video. It helps me out a ton. It helps encourage me to continue to create new content. I really do believe in you. I think you are going to be a really, really great coder if you just keep on going. And that's what the bootcamp's for. It's to really teach you everything I know. And then I, of course, put new videos like this one on the screen that you can click. So just jump into that next video and I'll see you there. And then eventually you can jump into the bootcamp. So I'll talk to you soon in that next video that's on your screen now.